These are the main events for the 15th of May. Today we explore a date defined by shifts in power, military bravery, and cultural milestones. From the halls of ancient Rome to the campaign trails of modern America, let's look at how history was made on this day. Major events. In the year 392, the Roman world was shaken when Emperor Valentinian II was found hanged in his residence in Vienne, modern-day France, marking a tragic end to his young reign. In 1864, during the American Civil War, a Confederate force, including cadets from the Virginia Military Institute, secured a victory in the Shenandoah Valley, successfully forcing a Union retreat. 1916 saw a notorious act of racial violence in Waco, Texas, with the lynching of Jesse Washington, a teenage farmhand, an event that remains a stark reminder of America's difficult past. In 1972, the American political landscape was forever altered when presidential candidate George Wallace was shot and permanently paralyzed while campaigning in Laurel, Maryland. Minor events. In 1725, the world of classical music was enriched as Johann Sebastian Bach conducted the first performance of his cantata BWV 85, titled Ich bin ein guter Hirt, or I am a good shepherd. In 1855, one of history's most daring heists occurred during the Great Gold Robbery, where thieves successfully stole 224 pounds of gold from a train traveling between London and Folkestone, England. Whether through music, conflict, or political upheaval, May 15th has left an indelible mark on our collective story. Thank you for joining us for this chronological journey through time. Don't forget to reflect on the lessons history provides every single day.